Once upon a time, in the mid of the chaos of World War II, there was a quiet but fierce battle being fought against an invisible enemy, polio.
A vital phase has been reached in the campaign against poliomyelitis.
It's my very pleasant duty to report to you the results of polio vaccine.
Polio. This disease was already known a troublemaker, but the warrior brought it into the spotlight like never before. Before we get into the fascinating and gripping story of how polio vaccine came to be, let's take a walk through the history. Long before the vaccine, it has been around for ages. Ancient Egyptian images shows children walking with canes, with withered limb, yes, as old as mummies of Egypt. Fast forward to 1789, when British physician Michael Underwood described polio as a summer plague in his medical book. Then, in 1894, the first major outbreak of polio in the United States occurred in Vermont, marking this disease as serious public health issue. By 1908, Austrian scientists Karl Landsteiner and Erwin Popper identified the polio virus, showing that polio was caused by a virus, a key step towards developing a vaccine. Now let's move into the early 20th century. Polio became a major public health issue worldwide, causing paralysis and deaths. Researchers worked tirelessly to understand and fight the virus. And in 1931, Australian researchers Frank McFarlane, Burnett, and Jean McNamara discovered multiple strains of poliovirus. Yes, it was not just one. There were 3 different strains, all causing severe illness to people. However, early vaccine by Maurice Brody and John Colmer led to serious side effects, putting the vaccine trials on hold. Now let's jump into the timeline of the Salk polio vaccine development. A story of hope and perseverance, if you ask me. So despite the early vaccine causing problems, the fight against polio strengthened. By the 1940s, John Salk joined the University of Pittsburgh, focusing on influenza before turning his attention to polio. In 1947, he started working on polio vaccine using a killed virus approach, inactivating the virus with formalin, which is a water-based saturated solution of formaldehyde gas. The worst polio epidemic in US history struck in 1952, with nearly 58,000 cases reported. Salk team tested the vaccine on monkeys and then on a small group of human volunteers. Then came April 1954, a historic moment. A massive field trial sponsored by the National Foundation for Infantile Paralysis, known as the Polio Pioneer, involved 1.8 million children. And finally, on April 12, 1955, the vaccine was declared safe, effective, and potent. This announcement was made on the 10th anniversary of President Franklin D. Roosevelt's death, who suffered from polio himself. By mid-1955, mass vaccine campaign began across the US. The response was overwhelming, of course, which resulted in some production challenges. The infamous Qatar incident, where a batch of vaccine contained live polio virus, caused a few new cases of polio, which led to stricter regulation on vaccine production. Despite these challenges, the impact was massive. By 1957, polio cases in the US dropped significantly. The Salk vaccine was adopted worldwide, dramatically reducing polio cases globally. And it was in 1961, Albert Sabin introduced an oral polio vaccine, which eventually became the preferred option due to its easier administration. As vaccination rate increased, polio cases dropped significantly. The Salk vaccine is spread worldwide, drastically reducing polio cases. By 1979, the US was declared polio-free. And today, polio is endemic in only a few countries, such as Afghanistan, Cameroon, Nigeria, and Syria. The Salk vaccine remains a huge achievement in medical history. At a time when polio was a huge problem, he developed a vaccine that truly worked. But what makes Salk special is that he didn't patent the vaccine or seek fame. His focus was on helping people and not making money. Instead, he said, "There's no patent. Could you patent the sun?" His selflessness and dedication to helping people served millions of lives and marked the beginning of the end for polio. Salk is remembered as a hero who used his genius and compassion to make real difference. As we look back on his incredible journey, we see a tale of struggle and triumph. The world faced immense challenge from war to disease, but through collaboration, determination, and scientific breakthrough, humanity overcame them. The story of Salk vaccine reminds us that even in the darkest times, hope and progress can shine through. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. Let's continue to be inspired by the stories of those who made a difference and never forget the power of working together for a common cause. Hope you learned something informative today. And for more such videos, you can subscribe LLRI YouTube channel. And until next time, stay safe and keep learning.